This is an ongoing project. I've been fiddling around with this for about a year now. I have a pretty strong interest in satellites. So I have been building. Let's look up here first. This is my storage area. Up here you've got hanging from the ceiling. You've got a black elk, the elk antenna up here, the black one, for portable use. You can even use that base mounted too. Stick it on top of a little telescoping mast and a cheap rotor, and you're good to go. And with that is a 435 megahertz M squared yagi. I think probably 11 dB gain. I've used it. It is a fantastically well-made antenna. But I'm trying to, I live in an apartment, so there's only so much I can put up outside. Therefore, what I'm doing in the next, I hope in the next week or so, if the weather holds, is I'm going to put up this right here. I can't get a good picture of it. This is a dual band, 13 element yagi that I'm going to mount horizontally, tilted back at about a 12 or 15 degree angle to get most of the satellites. I have used a similar antenna in the past, and it is really, really effective, especially if you live in an apartment. It's got a 5-foot boom. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements on 2 meters and 8 elements on 70 centimeters. It is fed right here. I put this together a couple of weeks ago. LMR 400, and here's the driven element. Contacts are sealed with marine sealant, and here it is. This will go into this right down here. This is the top end of this. I'm putting this on top of a 24-foot fiberglass mast. This is the top of it right here. The rest is already up outside. This is a dual band ultra low noise preamp made by SSB Engineering in Germany. These things are fantastic. And then you've got an inexpensive RCA rotator right here, and this is where I will mount the antenna to, tilted back at about, I believe that's about a 12 degree angle, maybe 15. And then, lo and behold, 60 feet of LMR 600 terminated in end connectors. This is heavy stuff. My landlord's gonna love me. He'll get over it. And that'll go up about 24 feet, maybe 28 total. And I'll bring that down into the ICOM IC 9700. And yeah, so this is my antenna storage area. All of my little antenna projects are in here. There's 75 feet of LMR 400 that I'm going to use this summer on the vertical. It's fed now with RG8. This is much lower loss. The loss in the LMR 600 for the 60 feet, I believe, is about 1.6 or 1.7 dB total, which is exactly what, I mean, it's a nice balance between that and hardline, you know. which I'm not doing. But anyway, that is the ammo dump. My ammo dump. I will when this I'm gonna make, I think, a video of me putting this up. This should be pretty funny, actually. That'll be enjoyable. Anyway, that is my antenna project right now.